are to worship you. Here we are to serve you, O God. Oh, we love you, Jesus. Take us deeper into your presence. Standing in all of your grace, setting my feet in your ways, entering into your presence, to behold you face to face. God of all heaven and earth, holding me in your embrace, unfailing love that surrounds me. Oh God, I stand amazed. My Jesus, my Lord, you're the love of my life. Wherever you go, wanna be by your side. No longer I, but Christ living in me, serving you for all eternity. My eyes set on you, in this race that I run. No longer my ways, let your will be done. Make me a servant, my heart's ever true, clinging to the cross. I'll follow you, I'll follow you. Jesus, we follow you, standing in all of your grace, standing in all of your grace, setting my feet